Explore the serene landscape. How exciting to be in Portugal's southernmost region, the breathtaking Algarve. The Algarve is the perfect destination for those seeking peace and tranquility, with its stunning coastline, charming towns, and awe-inspiring scenery. The Algarve offers a beautiful variety of sceneries to explore. The natural scenery in Algarve is breathtaking. You'll be amazed by the stunning cliffs that offer panoramic views of the Atlantic Ocean, and the pristine beaches with crystal-clear turquoise water. You can enjoy a lovely walk in the stunning countryside or along the picturesque coastline pathways. The Algarve is renowned not only for its delicious food but also for its rich culture. Enjoy lively festivals and celebrations throughout the year while savoring delectable seafood and locally produced wines. The Algarve is a fantastic destination that offers something for everyone, whether you are looking to unwind, soak up the sun, or explore the rich history and culture of the area. They explore the peaceful scenery of the southernmost region of Portugal and take in its natural splendor. Good vibes only.
Like, share, and subscribe for more destination vibes.